Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Male, 27 years old. I am getting married soon to my fiancée, this June 2025 to be exact. We've been together for 10 years. Nag-start kami freshman college. And she is the love of my life. And she happened to be my first relationship too. And hopefully, my last. Ang dilemma ko is, recently, kinausap ako ng guy best friend ko who happens to be my appointed best man sa kasal ko. Sinabi niya sa akin na hindi niya kayang maging best man ko without admitting the truth na may nangyari pala sa kanila ng fiancé ko back in 2021. So basically, all this time, hindi ko alam na nag-cheat pala sa akin ang soon-to-be wife ko with my guy best friend. Hindi ko alam anong mararamdaman ko after niya sa akin sabihin to. And I just feel angry, betrayed, empty, and sad all at the same time. Hindi ko alam paano i-process ang emotions ko. As of right now, hindi ko alam kung gusto ko pang ituloy ang kasal namin. Lalo na nakaprepare na ang lahat. I just honestly don't know. And worst of all, hindi ko pa nako-confront ang fiancé ko about it. Dahil hindi ko alam kung paano ako magre-react once nasabihin ko to sa kanya. I am lost.